Hello, I'm Tabitha Rabbit. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to start your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is know that you can start, doesn't matter who you are or where you are. The thing is that once you have a smartphone, you can just start making videos and post them on YouTube. What you need to have is a Google account. You can create a Google account for free by creating an email address with Gmail, a Gmail email address, and voila, you have a Google account. Okay? So once you have that Gmail email address, you can create a YouTube channel. And the first thing you need to do is just go into the YouTube and you create the channel. You can upload your banner, you can upload your profile picture on there, you can upload the information before you even post your video. I will do a video on how to create your banner and stuff, but the number one thing you need to do is just create your video and post. The banner and the profile picture is important, and also you need to name your channel. I suggest naming your channel your name, or if you are doing something you are really passionate about and it has to do with crafting or jewelry, then you can put that in the channel description. Like for my channel, it is All Things Tabitha. My main channel is Tabitha Roberts, that's my name. Or if you are into something like crafts, you could say crafts with, your name. Or if I was into crafts, I would say crafts with Tabitha, or Tabitha Makes Craft, or something like that, to just name your channel so it's relevant to what you do. Another thing to know is that you want to start posting your videos. You make it maybe not too long at first. Make a nice short video, maybe about 3 minutes or so, and you post that. When you post it, share it. Share it to your Facebook if you want. Share it to Instagram if you want. You can share it to Twitter if you have a Twitter account. Whatever social media profiles you have, you can just share it there. I know you might be scared, but do it if you have the courage to. Yeah. If you want to edit your videos, you can probably edit them on your phone if you are using a phone. I currently use my phone, it's an iPhone 7. But once you have a smartphone with a camera, you can start making videos. If you have a camera that's good for video recording, then you can use your camera as well. But if you don't, just start with your phone. It's okay, it's fine. You can edit it on your phone using some kind of editing app. You can find that in your app store, Google Play or the App Store, Apple App Store, right? I don't know what it's called, but it's in the App Store. You can find the editing app there. If you have an iPhone, you can use iMovie. If you don't have an iPhone, just download the video editing app. You may want to remove some of the pauses and stuff if you're talking and taking long pauses. You don't want to leave those long pauses in the video. So the number one thing to do is just to go through, see where you made little mistakes, take off the long pauses, take off the little errors, fix it. And if you want to know how to make a good thumbnail, you can sign up for Canva. And that is how I create my thumbnails for all of my videos, using Canva. It is free. Canva is free. There's a paid version as well, but the free version is very good. So if you don't want to invest money in anything right now, then just use the free version. You can download the Canva app, or if you have a computer to make your thumbnails and to edit your videos, then you can just use the online version of Canva. To edit my videos, I use Filmora 9. I think it's a really good program to edit videos, so I will leave links to that in the description below if you are considering starting a YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my main channel, it's Tabitha Rabbits. I will leave a link to that in the description below, or you can just check it out right here in the cards. Thank you for watching this video, and you can definitely check out my other video on how to start a YouTube channel, where I just ran down almost the same thing as this one, but it's a little different. So thank you for watching this video, and like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.